Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are diving into an important inventory management technique that is known as ABC analysis. So let's understand what it is and why it matters and how it works with a simple example at the end. So let's get started. See here, in ABC analysis, A items, they are the most valuable. They make up a small portion of inventory but a large portion of value. So A items means what? They are the most valuable. Means they make up a small portion of inventory. Small quantity but a large portion of value. It means what? Means A means the items A items are the items that may not be many in number. Means they are in small portion. They are not be many in number. They are small quantity or small percentage of total items. But they represent a large part of the inventory value, but a large portion of value, but they represent a large part of the inventory value. So therefore a items they are the most valuable. They are but they are small in quantity but contribute a major portion to the total inventory value. So in simple words, A means a few items but big money. Clear? So businesses, they focus more on controlling and monitoring these A category items. So remember, A means what? A items means what? Only few items but big money, but a large portion of value. Clear? Now let's go to B items. They are the moderate in both value and quantity. It means what? Items are moderate in both value and quantity. Means B items are not too expensive and not too cheap and not too few in quantity and not too many. So they fall between A and C category. The B items, they are falls in A and C category in terms of inventory value and quantity. So B items means they are not too expensive and not too cheap and not too few in quantity and not too many. Clear? So in simple words, B items means middle range items, neither very critical nor very negligible. Clear? Means for example, 20% of quantity and they are earning 20% in value. Like that. Clear? Now let's go to the C items. C items are the least valuable. They are least valuable but they are high in quantity but low in value. Means this is the exactly opposite of A items. Here A items are, they are most valuable, means they make up a small portion of inventory but a large portion of value. But C items are, they are high in quantity but low in value. Means C items are found in large quantities in inventory but each items it very low in cost. So even if there are many, their total value is very small. Clear? See here, in simple words, C items means lots of items but little money involved. Here A means only few items but big money. And C means what? C, they are the lots of items means many items but little money involved. And B items, they are in between A and C. They are neither very critical nor very negligible. I hope this is clear to you all. Now see here the table showing the percentage of value and items. See here it is a quick breakdown of these items. A items, about 10 to 20% of items, about 10 to 20% of items contribute to 70 to 80% of the total inventory value. Only 10 to 20 percentage of items, but they contribute 70 to 80% of total inventory value. Means few items big money, few items big money. A means. Clear? A few items they are very expensive or valuable. So for example, let's say a company, here I will write down, see here, for A items, example, A items. See here, let's say a company, it has 100 inventory items. Company has 100 inventory items. Clear? So out of these, out of 100 inventory, only 15 items, take it as 15 percentage. Clear? Only 15 items are A category. A category. So out of 100 items, only 15 items, means 15 percentage are A category. Clear? So, but the total value of these items is rupees 8 lakh. But total value of these items is rupees 8 lakh, means the total value of 15 items is rupees 8 lakh out of rupees 10 lakh, out of rupees 10 lakh. Clear? It means what? 15% of the items contribute 80% of the value. 80% of the value means 8 lakh divided by 10 lakh into 100, that is 80%. So 15% of the items contribute 80% of the value. 80% of value. 15% of items and 80% of value. See, few items, big money. Few items, big money. See, we have 100 inventory items. Out of these 15 items, mean 15%, they are A category. And their value is 8 lakh out of rupees 10 lakh. Out of rupees 10 lakh means 15% of the items contribute 80% of the value. Few items, big money. Clear? I hope this example is clear to you all. Now let's see B items. B items, around 20 to 30% of items, around 20 to 30% of items, but contribute to 15 to 25% of inventory value. Around 20 to 30% of items contribute 15 to 25% of inventory value. Means these B items, they are in the middle. They are not as valuable as A items. Clear? But more valuable than C items. Clear? Remember, A means what? Few items, big money. And B items, they are not as valuable as A items, but more valuable than C items. Remember this. So, let's say you have 100 items in your inventory. Clear? For example for B items. You have 100 items. You have 100 items in your inventory. So around 25 items. 25 items means 25% are classified as B category. Out of 100 items, 25 items means 25%. They are classified as B category. So these 25 items add up to about rupees 2 lakh. So value of 25 items is rupees 2 lakh out of rupees 10 lakh inventory value. It means what? 25% of items means 25% of items contribute 20% of the total value, means value of 25 items 2 lakh out of 10 lakh into 100. So 25% of items contribute 20% of the total value. Means B items, they are not as valuable as A items but more valuable than C items. Here we have 100 items. Out of 100 items, 25% classified as B category, and the value of 25 items is 2 lakh out of rupees 10 lakh, means 25% of items contribute 20% of the total value, means around 20 to 30% of items but contribute to 15 to 25% of inventory value. See, this inventory value lower than A but more than C, right? I hope this is clear to you all. Now next see C items. It means nearly 50 to 70% of items but contribute to just 5 to 10% of the value, means more quantity, small money, small amount of money. More quantity, small amount of money. See, items, they are many in number but they are cheap and low in value. C items are many in number but they are cheap and low in value. For example, see here, for example, let's say a company with 100 inventory items, 100 inventory items. Out of these 100 items, 60 items, means 60%, they are classified as C category. They are classified as C category. So the total inventory value is 10 lakh, but these 60 items together are worth only rupees 50 to 1 lakh. So assume 60 items, the value is 50,000 to 1 lakh out of rupees 10 lakh, means just 5 to 10% of the total value, 5 to 10% of the total value. Clear? Means C items means what? High quantities, here 60 items but lower in value, only 50,000 to 1 lakh. Clear? See here, nearly 50 to 70% of the items contribute to just 5 to 10% of the value. A items means what? They are few in quantity but big money. And B items, they are not as valuable as A items but more valuable than C items. C items. And C items, they are big quantity but lower in value. So remember this one. So let's look at a simple example. See here. Suppose a company, it has the following items. So these are the items 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and annual usage quantity 100, 200, 300, 500 and 1000. And cost per unit for 100 rupees 500, 200 quantity cost per unit is rupees 100, for 300 rupees 20, 500 rupees 10 and 1000 rupees 5. Clear? Here now we need to categorize whether they are A items, B items or C items. A items means what? Few items but big money or highest value. See here, in this quantity, few quantity is 100, right? And see the, check the cost per unit. 500 is more, means higher value, means this is A category. A category, right? 100 and rupees 500 is, 100 is the quantity and cost per unit is rupees 500, means few quantity, big money. Clear? Now let's look at item C or get C items. See here, 300, 500, 1000. They are more in quantity. 300, 500 and 1000, they are more in quantity. More in quantity. But their value is very low. That is rupees 20, rupees 10 and rupees 5. Rupees 5. Clear? Means they are C category items. So remaining 200 and rupees 100, they are B category items. So what I said, A means a few quantity but high value. And B items, they are in the middle. They are not as valuable as A items. See here, rupees 100, rupees 500 means 500 is A category and rupees 100 is B category. 500, they are not as valuable as A. They are not more than A category but more valuable than C category. Means the value of C items only for 300 rupees 20, 10 and 5. These are C items, they are less than B items. So that's why they are not as valuable as A items but more valuable than C items. Clear? And third one, C items. They are high in quantity but lower in value. Clear? In this way you need to identify A item, B items and C items. Clear? I hope this is clear to you all. Finally, this ABC analysis helps the businesses focus their time and money and control on the most valuable inventory items means A, and manage moderately important ones means B, and simplify handling of low value items means C items. Therefore, improving the efficiency, reducing cost and optimizing inventory management. Clear? So, ABC analysis is one of very important technique of inventory control. I hope this ABC analysis is clear to you all. If not, please leave a comment. And if anyone wants notes of this ABC analysis, please comment and I will upload in my Telegram channel and I will provide the link in the description box. Thank you.